Hey fam, this is Aditya, a second year law student at NLSIU Bangalore. And अभी रात के 1:30 बज रहा है. And yes, this is one of those late night talks. You know what? I started content creation just for fun. No plan, no pressure, just vibes. And also it's been months now. And somewhere along the way, I realized I actually enjoy doing this. Of course, I'm not perfect. I miss uploads. I procrastinate like every other human being. Today, I ordered this new tripod. And it hit me. If you genuinely want to learn something, if you genuinely want to stay consistent, you have to invest your effort, your time, and sometimes the right resources. You know what? This tripod isn't an equipment, it's a reminder that growth requires commitment. And let's draw an analogy. This honestly applies to life as well. This year's CLAT was a disaster for many and a heaven for few. But that's life. Unfair, unpredictable, real. And if you truly aspire to crack NLS or any other crazy law school, just don't give up. Keep showing up, keep grinding. Because at the end of the day, consistency and resilience are what separate dreams from reality. And let's do one more thing. So here's to investing in yourself. Cheers.
के नशों से सीखा, गरीबी से सीखा, तवज्जो से सीखा के अपनों को रखने का दिल में, और दिल से जो उतरे वे लौड़ों पे बजो बे। हम जैसा कभी नहीं बनोगे ना, खुद से लौंडों को भरू भी ना, कैटलॉग ऐसा कि मरू भी ना। जीते जरा जुटो और वो जलाते गई, मैं बनाता गया, रह गया थोड़ा माल।